My name is James Harris. I'll be conducting a process analysis speech on how to build a bird feeder. Today's date is April 6, 2017. The materials you'll need for this project is wood from a cedar or pine tree because they hold up well outdoors. It will need to be 1 inch thick by 16 inches wide by 30 inches long. And also some number 5 screws that are 1 inch long. The first thing that I like to do is gather the tools that I will need for my project. You will need a tape measure, a screwdriver. I like to use a cordless drill because it goes a little quicker putting the screws in. Something to draw a straight line with. Also a drill with a drill bit that is no larger than 1/8 of an inch. Also a pencil. One of the most important things that you will need for the project before you start cutting any wood is safety glasses. Because remember, you only have 2 eyes and you don't want to lose either one of them. The material I like to use is wood here, and I like to draw out all my pieces on the piece of wood before I ever get started. That way I make sure I have enough wood to do the project for this. Okay? There'll be piece number 1, and I have them numbered so you can see how they're laid out on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. You will have a little wood left over, but that's a good thing sometimes. And piece number 1 will be 8 inches by 12 inches. It will also have, on the 12-inch side, you will measure up 8 inches and draw a 45-degree angle line up to the center of the piece. That will actually be the back of the bird feeder. The second piece is 8 inches long by 3 inches wide. That'll be the bottom of the bird feeder. Pieces 3 and 4 are going to be on the side of the bird feeder. Piece 5 is the front of the bird feeder that you will be using. Piece number 6 and 7 that you have cut out will be the roof of the bird feeder. I like to number my pieces so I can keep up with them after I cut them. Okay? The next thing you will do after you've cut all the pieces, is drill pilot holes in them before you start putting screws, because you do not want to split your wood when you're trying to put the screw in. The first piece that has the 45-degree angle on it, at the bottom, and I have drew areas where I have drilled the pilot holes, there'll be 3 holes in the bottom. Drill them a 1/2 inch from the edge of the piece of wood. And you'll have 3. On piece number 2, there'll be no holes involved in it. All the other pieces will screw into it. Pieces 3 and 4 will have 3 holes each. There'll be 2 on the bottom on the long side and 1 in the center on the short side in both pieces. Piece number 5 will have 4 holes. 2 on the bottom and 2 on each end. Piece number 6 and 7 also, 6 will have 3 holes. 1 on the side and 2 on the long end. Piece number 7 will have just 2 holes on the long end piece. Once you have got all your pieces and holes drilled, you're ready for assembly. Like I said before, this is where you will drill the holes. Since you have drilled the holes, you will be able to put your screws in. They will all connect together with the number 5 screw that is 1 inch long. Once you have completed this project, you can put an eye bolt in the top of it, and I used a clothes hanger to hang it in the tree outside. But before you use it, put it outside, you need to either paint it or stain it. I chose to stain mine. I think it looks pretty good outside. Now, you're ready to go get your bird feed, so you can set it outside and begin watching all the birds eat the food out of it. Thank y'all.